dinner. It's not up for debate. Like, not your debate, not my debate, not Republican or Democratic debates. I am here with another one from Nadula Hair. I'm coming through with a 99J 4x4 wig, okay? I don't know what made me think I could do this, but we's gonna try it, okay? This is a 4x4 Nadula Hair 24-inch curly wig, okay? I want to be clear. Not it's a Jerry curl curly wig, okay? Sexy chocolate. All right, that's what they giving. They picking it up. I mean, well, we picking it up and they putting it down. How about that? So this unit has 2 combs in the front, okay, honey? 1 in the back, lace in the back, as well as adjustable straps. Wakanda forever, okay? But how about I've been saying Wakanda forever this long, and now Wakanda forever is about to be a thing. Hello. So I want to, obviously this is looking a little bit to me. Okay, so we want to make sure we get that together. I'm going to go in and darken this up. I don't expect this to be a hard unit to get together because it's 4x4 length. We just don't want to get into it. So Nadula Hair so graciously provided us with a robe. And we love the robes, okay? Love robes. Love, love, love the robe. And then they also provided us with a wig bag that for some odd reason I cannot find right now. And I do not know why. And obviously our bag full of goodies. We have our Nadula band, which is around here somewhere as well. Did I drop it? They gave us 2 bands. One with the Nadula Hair branding and then this leopard print one. A wig, a makeup brush, bonnet, and some lashes, honey. So I'm just going to get into this. I do not expect this to take a long time. I'm wearing a V-part wig right now, okay? I was supposed to be going to the airport, y'all. Oh my god, listen to my story. So this morning I woke up. I'm going to Philly for the weekend. I woke up this morning and I was like, it was like I had a flight at 8:30. Get to the airport. I get to the airport, get through TSA, do all the things. I do all the things. And get to the front, not even at my gate. I'm like walking towards the gate. I get an email that the flight was canceled. Now, this is my fault. I never fly Spirit, ever. But the flight was so inexpensive from Vegas to Philly that I was like, damn, like I can't even like justify spending that amount on another flight. Like it wouldn't even make sense. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna just fly Spirit or whatever like that. And even if I got, on Spirit, I got the big seat on Spirit and it still was much less than a regular flight or whatever the case may be. So I was like, you know what? It just is what it is. I got to do what I got to do. Picking up what I put in. Get there. They tell me the flight is canceled. We're going to rebook you. It's my mother-in-law's birthday weekend. So I'm like, okay, it's kind of cute. I think this is going to go over a lot easier than we think. So I'm like, all right. I don't mind being rebooked if it makes sense. They can't rebook me. It's Friday. They can't rebook me till Sunday. Y'all tried it. And y'all trying to get me aired out by this woman. And I ain't got no tip, no time. So let me go on ahead. I went and booked. I'm so blessed that I'm in a place where I could just rebook the flight. But it's so weird. I suffer from severe anxiety. And I was so chill about it. I was just like, all right, well, you know, sometimes flights get canceled. And you just gotta do what you gotta do. Ain't no sense in me being all upset or up in arms about it. And it worked out because I found another flight for this evening. So still Friday. And hopefully I can get on this flight this evening and get to where I gotta go. Okay, so that's my story of the day. But I said in the meantime, between time, let me go on ahead and get these wigs together. Okay? So let's get back to the wig. This is a 99J unit. She is, again, a 4x4. She's currently going at 24 inches for $275, $274, okay? But y'all know they have all of the payments, so don't y'all be worried. There's a billion ways that you can get you a human hair wig nowadays. You can sell a little something, a little shink da dang, or you can go ahead and get them 4 payments from Klarna, okay? Because let me tell you something, I don't give a damn if it's $20. Give me 4 payments of 5, please. Okay, thanks. That's me. That's me. So I'm just going on through and darken her up a bit. She just need a little bit of melanin. She just need a little melanin. You know what I mean? A baby tan. So that's what we just going to go on through and give her before we throw her up on her head. I actually don't even think, I'm hoping I don't even have to glue her down. If she picking it, I'm hoping that. So I'm going to throw her on again. The cap was a little bit tight to me. Let me chop the lace in the back. The cap was a little bit tight, but that could be my imagination. That could be, let me try again. Ooh, it's tight. It's real tight. Like, real tight. Even for me. But I kind of like that because that might mitigate us. And I don't have this Wakanda Forever. This is what it looks like on the side, guys, with the 4x4. Okay. I don't have this Wakanda Forever. I do have my Andy straightening comb on because I want to just kind of define my part a bit so I can see what the hell is going on in here. Okay. Huh. The color of this hair. I love the texture of this hair. This unit is very, very, very soft. Very soft. Now, the cap construction is a little snug as a bug in a rug. Okay, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. However, I really do love this. Like, I love this. And I think the color looks good on me and everything. It's almost giving, am I going to the airport like this? No, I'm not. I'm probably not. But that's not the point. The point is that I'm really into this. I mean, so soft. All I did was wet her. It is so soft to the touch. I really want y'all to touch it. The color of this hair is beautiful. I'm going to turn around for you guys. Let me know if you can see my tracks in the back. Again, she's 150% density. Okay, so she's 150% density at Love, Sex, and Magic. And Mother is glueless. Now, I'm going to go through here a little bit more because you can see the line of delineation where my cap is. And we ain't got time for that. She's a winner chicken dinner. It's not up for debate. Like, not your debate, not my debate, not Republican or Democratic debates. Okay? I'm into this. She was so easy to get together. It's not even funny. The biggest thing that I did was kind of cut like a little bit of bang in the front. But that's just because I wanted to give y'all Khalees. I hate you so. I hate you so much right now. Am I not giving it? Am I giving it? Am I giving it? Am I giving it? I'm really into this. Like, really? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. 4x4 lace are in. This is summertime fine. We want something that we could throw up on our head, snatch it off when we're done, honey. And that's what this one is giving. So check out nadula.com, okay? Again, she's going for just about $275. She's a rich bitch. She is, but the color is giving. Like, oh, she's so seamless throughout. The texture of the hair is pretty. It's 24 inches of Love, Sex, and Magic. Let me know what y'all think, okay? Buzz down. Let me know how you feeling about this, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.